Hey, shining stars. I hope you all are having a great new year. And that reminds me, Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Greetings extended to your families and friends too. I hope everyone is having a marvelous time. Thank you so much for tuning back into the channel today. To my returning subscribers, hey my love, and if you're coming across me for the first time today, surprise, happy new year. You are in love because on this channel I promise you and I deliver the most beautiful, the most elegant, the most stunning, the most unique, the most gorgeous, drop dead, serene, short haircut and hairstyles for my black queens and a lot of other fun stuff. I do transition. If you want to see me in action, if you want to see Somto Starr in action, just go over to my shorts and watch my transition videos. I promise you, you are not going to regret it because they are amazing. Okay. I also do beauty. I am a makeup artist, so from time to time I upload makeup videos and skincare and fashion. Recently, we've been incorporating that and just fun. This channel is all fun. It's beautiful. It's friends coming together to share thoughts and share things that they like. So be sure that you are family here. Okay, Somto Starr is a family and you are welcome. All right. Stars, in today's videos, I don't even need to tell you because you are already feasting your eyes. I have the most beautiful, the most stunning, most elegant, the most youthful, to say the least, short haircut and hairstyles for my golds and my matured black queens, for my older and my matured black queens, and just my black queens in general, because these short haircuts are so beautiful that they are suitable for all ages. Okay, they are color appropriate, they are age appropriate. I mean, it's just so magical. I mean, there's something about this my gorgeous black queens that I've chosen to be an inspiration to us. I mean, they're so unique. And don't get me started on this barber. He just keeps on doing an amazing job for this my black queen, and we give him all accolades that are due to him. Okay. Stars, I truly hope that you do watching this video today, and I hope that you have an amazing new year. Please do give this video a big thumbs up. Comment. I'd like to know which of these short haircuts and hairstyles was your favorite in the comment sections. Please do not forget to let me know where you are watching these videos from so that I can send you a massive shout out in my next video. Other than that, I love you all so very much, and I do hope you have an amazing new year and you enjoy and you keep on coming back to Somto Starr. All right, you have a great one. I love you guys so very much. Until next time. Bye bye. Stay tuned though, don't go anywhere.